thing I'm gonna use is the Grwm bubble cleanser. It has like oats in it. It's supposed to be moisturizing, which is cool. It doesn't really bubble up, but it feels nice. She was cute, you guys should try it. And here's gonna be like all the pictures of everything included in the box. So I'm gonna use the Ole Henriksen Radiance Primer. It's pretty good. For foundation, it's the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It looks crazy, but it fixes itself at the end. Then I use Shape Tape Concealer in Light Neutral, which is my favorite. And just set that mug, honey. Next is eyebrows, Anastasia. It takes me forever to do them because I have issues. I'm gonna use the Milk eyebrow gel in Haze. And then I just bronze my face with the Estee Lauder bronzer, and I put some on my crease. Next is the blush trio that was in the box, which is really cute. It has like peaches and corals. I love a peach. Then I used the eyeshadow topper, which I thought would be more like pigmented, but it was just glittery, but it was cute. And the BH Brazil palette, I used the neon pink in the inner corner. Lime Crime highlight, I'm gonna use the pink color in the middle. Milk Kush mascara. And eyeliner Maybelline. I just fill in the inner rim of my eyelid and then I do my signature wing. The lip liner from the box, which was cute, but I wouldn't buy it for $21. That's a little much, but thanks for Boxycharm. I topped it off with Jeffree Star lipstick, and then I'm gonna apply the lip liner, the lip gloss. Wow, the lip gloss, guys, and then set that face. Urban Decay all nighter. Beauty marks and you're done. Bless them, Daddy. And now we're in the smoke session, ladies and gentlemen. Join me and comment down below what you think. Also, if you like these beats, hit up my baby. I will have his information in the bio. And get your beats for the low, honey. See you guys next time.
Shout out VIP. Young nigga. Yeah, yeah,